What's up, guys? How you doing on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a review of the Ricoh KR-5 Super 35mm camera. As far as I know, it's the only one on a YouTube, so today's your lucky day, I guess. Let me get it. I got this camera body and a Tamron 35 to 70mm lens. With a slight macro feature for $60 and a case on Craigslist. Oh, and here she is, Ricoh KR-5 Super. Alright. Next we have the actual camera. This one is from '79, I think. And it has some really cool features on it. If you take the cover off, you can see a mirror go in there. Really slow. Oh, that happens sometimes. It's not cool. It'll get stuck like that. You gotta hit it shut. I've been cleaning it out all day. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. It does it sometimes. Glad there's no film in it right now. Let me attach the lens. And we're good. Actually, I'm going to leave that on for right now. The camera, on the other hand, obviously it opens in the back. You pull this up, and it will pop open, where you can put the roll of film in here and spool it at this end. Goes across like a regular 35, and then you crank it and you press the button. The thing lifts up and lets in the light. You know. Close that. Now this side right here, right like around where the pulley thing up is, right around that is where you set the ISO speed, or the ASA, or whatever you want to call it. You just hold on, this is hard to get an angle. You just press down this button and turn it at the same time. Hold on, that's hard to do with one hand. Here, I'll press down with this hand. Pick your ISO. Most of the time I do ISO 200. You got your flash up here. You attach the flash and you're good to go. Right now I don't have a flash because the flash that came with it was busted. Batteries go down here, and here's your tripod mount. This button down here is for when you unload the film. One of the features on this camera, it's got a self timer. You crank this, it's maximum 10 seconds. You crank it back to 10. Now this little dot right here, it's supposed to be a red LED, so when I crank it and I press the go, it's showing. That's supposed to be red right now. After 10 seconds, it should click, so it's self-timer, which is pretty cool. And then over the other, well, hold on. When you've got the flash on and it's ready to go, this little white dot right here, that's an LED, it'll light up green, telling you that the light's ready. Alright, well, never mind. This right here, the crank, when it's closed, the batteries are off. Now you put batteries in it, so when you're looking through here, there's a little meter inside there, and it'll tell you if there's too much light or not enough light. This knob right here is the shutter speed, I guess. 125 is red, I guess, just because it's standard. But basically, the faster the shutter speed, the faster it will take the picture, but that means you need to be well lit, so the less it's gonna be open for less amount of time, so you need more light going in. So you need a well lit subject to have 1,000 shutter speed, and it's mainly for fast. So like if you're photographing racing or skateboarding, whatever. If it's fast, you want the shutter speed to be high, but you also need to be outside. If your subject is really dark, you need to set it lower. Mine goes down to 8 right here. And that's for if your subject is dark, and it'll stay open longer to get more light in and then close. But you don't want to move the camera as much then, because then it'll get blurry. When it's higher shutter speed, you have a less chance of getting blur pictures. And then there's a setting on here called B that's right underneath 8. And I'm not sure what B stands for, but basically it's manual. So like if you're taking a really night shot, you can click it and hold it and then let go, and it'll close it up like that. And that's about it. This camera's awesome, really. So I'll give you a look through the front, taking a picture, and then that should wrap it up. If you have any questions about the camera, just ask me. Preferably comment. Get this video running. Get the views flowing, if you know what I'm saying. Open the back up. And I want to take a manual photo. Hi. So that's when it lets all the light through. So there's manual. So here's the difference between 8 and 1,000. Here's 8. You could actually see through it there. And here's 1,000. You can't even see through it. But then back on 8, you can definitely see through it. It's a slower, so it lets more light in. And that is the Ricoh KR Super camera, 35mm. It's the way to go. Alright, later guys.